up and sit down.
Hello folks, Colin here, Festa 67's workshop, and welcome to issue 10 of Build, the 1967 Mustang Eleanor from the movie Gone in 60 Seconds from our wonderful folks over at Fanhome. Yes. Now, if you want to grab this for yourself, folks, click this link all the way along here. Ka-ching. Head over to the Fanhome website and subscribe, and you too can be building along with me with this massive 1/8 scale die-cast partwork, folks. So let's have a quick flick through the magazine, see what we got this week. Experience Eleanor's magic. We're going to be assembling the 1/8 scale model of the Eleanor Mustang. It is simple and enjoyable. In this magazine, we're going to assemble the rear right wheel and fit the wheel housing liner on the rear part of the chassis, and then we'll add some first parts for the middle chassis section. So we're going to be doing that over the next couple of videos, folks. So we'll be doing kits 35, 36, 37 and 38 over the next couple of weeks, peeps. Okay, so I tend to do them episode by episode, just so that you could skip to the episodes you want. If you're stuck on anything, you can just select drop the playlist on this side here, whatever it is you need to go to, and pop and watch the video, folks. Happy days. So in this issue number 35, we're going to be doing the first part of the last of the wheels, which is going to be the rear wheel. So we're going to be doing the centre boss and half of the rear hub, and then next week we'll be doing the rest of the hub and fitting the rear tyre. Simple instructions, nice, concise, clear instructions showing you what you should end up with, what screws go where, what the screw identities are, and then what you'll end up with at the very end of that issue. Okay, so we'll skip the next few weeks so that we can show that when we do the relevant videos. Get rid of that, and then we can flip over to the magazine itself. The beautiful Eleanor. Tune up for a star. This was the original Eleanor from the 1974 film Gone in 60 Seconds. Tells you all about it there. Toby Halaki had learned just one thing over the years. It was how to recondition vehicles and make them look their best. And he really did do a stunning job on this, because it was a bit of a shed when he found it. So, yes. Give these magazines a read, folks. They really are worth it. This was Castlebeck, a detective on a mission. All about Detective Castlebeck there, played by Delroy Lindo. And I think he really nailed this part in it, because he was charismatic, but he also had, like you say, a mischievous side, but yeah, also a bit of a forgiving side as well, to be quite honest with you. So yeah, tells you a little bit about him. There's general respect between him and Memphis Reigns, because they're both the best at what they do. Yeah, I think when the film concludes, you do see that they do have a very healthy respect. This was going behind the scenes of the original movie there, all the car crash scenes and things of that nature, how it was done. We got more cars with women's names. This month we got Dorothy, and it was the unique gull wing doors on the Mercedes-Benz 300 SL. It looked like a winged messenger from the gods. What an eloquent solution. And of course it's gull wing doors, folks. We all like a pair of the old gull wings, don't we? There's a bit about Dorothy there. Gotta admit, she is a beautiful looking car. Then you got Tracy, which was a 1999 Humvee 2-door pickup. Happy days, look at that. Honestly, you see one of them behind you at the lights, you're going to be like, yeah, I'm going to get a move on. But yeah, so that's more about Tracy. And they are a beast of a vehicle. They really are. Some more information on blurbage there. There's some fact files there on Tracy, specifications on the vehicle, etc. This was the Mustang Mach 1. Some information there, just 4 years after Ford launched the amazingly popular Mustang. Competition with other manufacturers became fierce. They had not been prepared for the Mustang's astonishing success, but it didn't take long for the rivals to fight back. And there's all the different manufacturers coming up with their ideas for their own muscle cars. And I think these were the launch of the big muscle car era, folks. So that wraps up that. That then gives you some more information what you're going to get in the next dispatch, which will be part 2 of the middle chassis, transmission shafts, gearbox covers, and the front section of the chassis. So you're going to end up growing your chassis now proportionately over the next few deliveries. So you'll start to see the footprint of your Eleanor as it grows along your bench. And then, like me, you're going to be panicking trying to make space for it. So let's flick back to what we're going to be assembling today. Very similar to what we've done before with the wheel halves. Pretty straightforward. But we'll go through it step by step like we always do. So the instructions are going to live at the back for now. So we've gone ahead and opened this. Just grab the screws out of there. Well, a pair of them off of there. Like so. Get them out of the way. And they're PS05 screws that you want, folks. So you've got your hub and you've got your die-cast piece there. Okay. And this will go on these little raised lugs there. Not the recessed ones, because they're for the holes the other side. You want this to rest on them. Just like that. Okay. Then you can go around and put your screws in. So, using the screwdrivers from the kit this week. Just put a single drop of oil over on the screw. Line it up. I'm only doing a couple of turns a time at the moment until I get them all in, and then I'll go around and tighten them all up. There you go. Just like that. Same on there. Like that. Now we can start bringing that home now. Work my way around. I can now lift it up and then start screwing these all in, just like so. Rest my thumb against there and line that up. There you go. So that gives us that piece ready for the next issue, where we join the other half to the front of it and then put the tyre on. But what you'll end up with at the end of this episode, folks, is you're going to end up with the wheel and the centre boss, which are those two pieces like that. That's what you're going to end up with. And then you'll park that to one side until next week, when you can then put the other half on with the tyre. So that's what we'll be doing in the next issue, folks. But in the meantime, if you'd like to grab yourself one of these, click this link all the way along there. Ka-ching. Head over to the Fanhome website, hit that subscribe button, and you too can be building along with me your very own Eleanor 1/8 scale die-cast partwork. You won't be disappointed, folks. So until the next video, stay safe and stay well, and I look forward to seeing you next time. Bye-bye for now. Bye. Oh, look at that. It's really good.